everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2024 Ferarri Sf90, a hypercar that pushes the boundaries of performance and design. From its revolutionary hybrid powertrain to its cutting-edge technology, the Sf90 is a true masterpiece of engineering. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior. The Sf90 boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design. Inspired by Ferrari's rich racing heritage, the car features a low-slung silhouette, aggressive front fascia, and sculpted side panels that scream power and speed. This hybrid powertrain produces a staggering 986 horsepower and can propel the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. The Sf90 also offers a pure electric driving mode, allowing you to cruise around town silently and emissions-free. Interior. The interior of the Sf90 is just as impressive as the exterior. The cabin is a luxurious haven crafted from the finest materials. The driver is greeted by a digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system. The Sf90 also comes equipped with a variety of driver assistance features.